We begin just days away from in-person peace talks between the U.S. and Iran. They kick off this weekend in Pakistan, and the pressure is on for U.S. negotiators to clear up all of the confusion surrounding this week's ceasefire and to lay the groundwork for a long-term peace deal. Fox 13's Rebecca Castor has more from D.C.
In Pakistan's capital city, security is already tight ahead of high-stakes peace talks this weekend between the U.S. and Iran. On the U.S. side, Vice President J.D. Vance will be at the table alongside Special Envoys Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner. For Iran, the head of parliament and the country's foreign minister.
We want Iran to not be able to make a nuclear weapon. We want the nuclear fuel. The more that they're willing to give us, I think the more they're going to get things out of this negotiation.
In addition to ending its nuclear program, the U.S. also says Iran must allow the free flow of oil in the Strait of Hormuz. Iran's army still dictates which ships can pass, and hardly any oil tankers have crossed since the ceasefire.
The Strait of Hormuz is open. There are some technical restraints, and this is why that all the ships that they would like to pass through the Strait of Hormuz, they have to communicate with our army and our military contact points there.
On Capitol Hill, House Democrats tried once again Thursday to pass a war powers resolution forcing President Trump to end the war. But the Republican chair refused to acknowledge them.
The House stays adjourned until 2:30 p.m. on Monday, April 13th, 2026.
Get us back to work. Get us back in session. Let's have a vote to end this war because the ceasefire is a joke.
The ceasefire is at risk of falling apart while Israel continues to target Iran's proxies in Lebanon. But Prime Minister Netanyahu has agreed to hold direct talks with Lebanon to support the U.S. in its negotiations. In Washington, Rebecca Castor, Fox News.